I hit a wall, I never felt so low, so low. Like a waterfall, my tears dropped to the floor, the floor. They left a swimming pool of salted crimes, crimes. Oh, what could I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out of this hole. I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, but sure, your words will leave me unconscious. In the blood, I let go. But I hit a wall. I hit a wall. You're just another break, and I'm upset. You're just another break, and I'm upset. Yeah, I hit a wall. I prayed that I would make it through, make it through. I can't survive a life that's without you, that's without you, yeah. And I will rise up from the ashes now, the ashes now. Oh, the sparrow flies, just the crumbs of loving